Hi guys, welcome back to FarmStead, and if you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Tonight's budget meal is Chicken Alfredo. We have our oven set at 400 degrees. I'm going to get the chicken put in the cast iron pan and we'll get cooking. Chicken Alfredo is one of our family's favorite dishes. It's nice and simple, and it's a quick meal for during the week. Just get the chicken put in the oven and get it going, and you're halfway there. We're going to start by adding the oil to the chicken. We're using an olive oil. Like that, coats the chicken real nice. There's our oven, it's set at 400 now. Alright, garlic powder. Now don't be afraid to add enough seasoning to really give your meat that good flavor, okay? People get worried about adding too much, too little. I try to maybe watch the salt, okay? But still, even with the salt, make sure you're adding enough to give it some good flavor. This gives it a nice coating. Last but not least, Italian seasoning, one of my favorites. And when it combines with that olive oil and it soaks in, it gives this chicken a really nice crust. Alright guys. Got a little extra on that centerpiece. It's alright. Alright, let's get this put in the oven. Alright, so that chicken's going to be in the oven for about 35 minutes. After that, I'll get the pasta cooking real quick. It doesn't take that long, and then we'll get everything combined. Alright, so we're going to be using a penne pasta tonight. Let's get it in the boiling water. Alright, I'm going to bring you in for an overhead for the sauce. Alright, I'm going to get us set on a medium-high heat. We're going to melt the butter first. Alright, now that we've got the butter melted, I'm going to add in the flour. Okay. Now the cream. Doesn't that look good? The deliciousness, the parmesan cheese. Alright, now we're going to add in the minced garlic. Italian seasoning. Add a little spiciness to it. We're going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper. Not a lot, just enough to give it a little bit of a spice. Alright, and then salt and pepper. Now you get this all stirred up, and your sauce will be good to go. The pasta is almost done. You want to cook it to al dente. Okay, look at that. Nice cheesy sauce. It's going to coat those noodles really nicely. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, FarmStead, and make sure you leave us a comment and let us know what you think of the videos. Alright guys, the pasta's all complete. Our sauce is looking really good. Let's get them combined. Look at that. If you use the silicone spatula, I'll show you, you can really scrape around the edges of the pan and you can get all that sauce out of there so you're not wasting any. Remember, this is budget meal, so we're trying to save our food. Get it all mixed in there. Look at that. The sauce is real nice, sticks to the noodles. It doesn't just drop to the bottom. That's all the cheese. What do you think, folks? You think it's going to be good? Alright guys, a quick addition. We wanted to add a side dish. We're going to do some of our homegrown Kirshner FarmStead carrots. So I'm going to get some butter melted down. Might help if I turn the stove on. Alright, we got the butter all melted down. We're going to add the carrots in. Carrots have a lot of natural sugars in them. I don't know if you guys have had homegrown carrots yet, but they are my absolute favorite when they are homegrown. Just because the flavor is so much better than a store-bought carrot. They're sweet and full of flavor. So it is definitely a vegetable. You should ask your local farmer and say, hey, you guys got carrots? Because there's no comparison to a store-bought carrot. I'm gonna add in the seasoning. We're gonna get these all caramelized up and they're gonna be good to go. Alright, these carrots are all caramelized up. Let's get them plated up. And just in time because the chicken is now done. Let's get this chicken pulled out. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. Okay. We're going to make a pile of the pasta and place a nice piece of chicken right up against it. Now, you can also chop up the chicken, mix it in with the pasta and the sauce. That's just another way to do it. But this right here is a delicious dish your family's going to absolutely love, and I hope you enjoy it. Have a good night. Make sure to like and subscribe to Kirshner FarmStead, and if you enjoyed watching this, please come back again. Have a good night.